Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic that's been on everyone's mind, the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. Especially we will be looking at jobs that are at risk of disappearing within the next 2 decades. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, I'd like to clarify that while AI will indeed revolutionize various industries, it will also create new opportunities and job roles. So it's not all doom and gloom. However, there are certain job categories that could be significantly affected. Let's explore some of them. Number 1. Routine manual jobs. Jobs involving repetitive physical tasks such as those in manufacturing, assembly lines, and warehouses are susceptible to automation. With advancements in robotics and AI, machines can perform these tasks faster and more accurately than humans. Number 2. Transportation and delivery. With the emergence of self-driving vehicles and drone technology, the transportation and delivery sector will unlikely undergo a significant transformation. Jobs like truck driving and delivery services could potentially be replaced by autonomous vehicles and drones. Number 3. Data entry and administrative support. AI-powered algorithms are becoming increasingly proficient in handling data entry and administrative tasks. As a result, roles that primarily involve data input, sorting, and basic analysis may be streamlined or eliminated. Number 4. Customer service and call centers. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, enabling them to handle customer queries and provide support. While human interaction will still be necessary in certain scenarios, the demand for customer service representatives and call center agents might decline. Number 5. Routine medical diagnostics. AI algorithms are being developed to analyze medical data and assist in diagnosing certain conditions. Although doctors and medical professionals will continue to play a crucial role, routine diagnostic tasks could be enhanced or partially taken over by AI systems. Conclusion. While these job categories are likely to experience changes due to AI, it's essential to remember that technological advancements also create new employment opportunities. As we progress, it's crucial for individuals to adapt their skills and embrace lifelong learning to stay relevant in an evolving job market. So that's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on future of work. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the impact of AI on jobs. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.